so before you go in there, vote for Ralph McDougan. Straight in to the right, all right?
Oh, I already did, boss.
Statement, no mask.
Hey, hello, sir. Gonna have to pat you down before you go in.
Pat me down.
Make sure you got no naughty naughties on you.
Oh
No
shit!
weapons.
Let me put my dildo
It's
in
only
my car.
weapons. Okay.
Oh shit.
What happened, Kay?
You gotta put your guns away.
You guys want to put it in my trunk? I've got a van. I can go throw it until after.
You should be alright. Just lock it up. Or
Yo, Eugene, let's put our guns in your car.
Oh.
Is there? Oh, there's a garage around the corner. I'll just go park my car after.
Think you need the cops are gonna chase you?
No, I should be good.
Oh, okay. Having a big walk. Should be fine. Yes.
McDougan.
Y'all doing your job.
What's that?
Rehabilitation.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, sir.
I'm ready.
All right, sweetheart. And make sure, it's just a general statement.
Have you
Make
any
sure you
weapons on
don't
your
have
bus?
any masks on or anything
No
like
weapons.
that.
Like a criminal?
You're good to go.
No.
Sir, with the bucket hat.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to search you.
I just realized I had fucking.
Because it is the rules of the courtroom. or
Oh,
the
let me,
courts in general, no
Shit, I
weapons.
left my phone in the car.
Oh, I'll go put it away then.
All right, first court case. See what this is all about. Actually, I think it's just a I don't think this is actually a full blown case right now.
Somebody else's home.
Someone did boo boo. Oh,
K, how are we today?
oh, hey guys. Don't mind my tire. I just don't want to get shot by these officers again. I'm so scared. Good one, right? Good one, right?
Feel free to have a seat, Mr. K.
I was gonna say, does he know which case he's appealing right now?
Oh fuck. What's fuck? Wrong case or what? Cobra?
Objection.
Should I take it off?
We're doing all right. With Mr. K, we're doing all right.
Alright, I'll just take it
I'm
off.
gonna open up with an introductions. I'm gonna open up with a motion to dismiss this case. So let me do the talking first, and then we'll play ball based on that afterwards. Okay?
Sure, sure. Vinny should be here any second.
All right, great.
What's up, Zone?
I would.
What's good, guys?
I don't have running water. Running water up there.
Bro, that guy's head looks so fucking big over there.
Well, okay.
Bro, look at that bald-headed bitch-ass cop over there.
I mean, they might. That's private money.
Hey, you're blocking my view.
Look at that ugly fucking cop right there. His head looks like a brick. Oh,
He's a
hey, officer,
brickhead.
how you doing? Looking great today. Like what you did with your mustache.
Sir, can we
Damn,
know
his head's
that
shiny.
at least during the decorum
Oh,
of
sorry,
our
you're right.
glorious
Oh, I'm
courtroom,
sorry for
you see
complimenting you.
Lady Justice up there? Let's respect her at least.
Why is your eyes closed?
Took me so long to find the room.
Mr. Potato Head. Oh, where the fuck is Vinny?
Yeah.
I like.
Sorry for your loss, Raymond.
I'm gonna try to not let the sadness in.
Your loss.
Mr. Goldberg, are all of your clients present or just the one?
I do believe they are en route currently. Mr. K is here as a representative for the plaintiffs at this time.
Alright, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Justice.
Fuck it. I say just send Vinny to jail. Yo! Bro, everyone here is fucking waiting for it. What are you doing?
Bro, they were searching me. I'm coming in now.
Jesus Christ, man. They're gonna send us to jail.
everything's good, Mr. K. Everything's good so far. Let's just hang out, wait for introductions here, and then we'll proceed with our motion.
Sorry. Late like usual.
Look,
You fucking come dressed, Jesus fucking Christ.
Well, bro, I don't want to get shot again, you know?
That is true. That is true.
Hello, Mr. Pistone. How you doing today?
What's up, Goldschlager?
Not too much. Just hanging in court.
Oh, all right. Wait, why are we on the fucking defendant side? We're supposed to be on the right side. We're the plaintiffs.
I mean, they were over there. I mean, to me, a table's a table,
Yeah,
right?
the fucking criminals. They should be over here.
I mean, a table's a table's a table.
Hey Goldberg, would you be
Yeah.
okay once Agatha is available, well now she's available, to meet for the pre-trial motion while we wait for your third client?
I think I have some behind.
I would be very interested in meeting for the pre-trial motion. Actually, yeah, whenever.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You're so amazing, awesome, and so is Agatha.
Okay, I'm gonna be real. I don't remember nothing what happened that day.
Wow, this is so amazing and awesome.
Yeah, you can come up, Goldberg.
Do you hear me?
Goldberg, I'm just getting wet wipes. Don't worry. Nothing bipartisan going on here.
The text.
Thank you.
That's quite all right.
Oh, don't worry about that. My friend Reaper Stone uses wet wipes too, and I have to help him wipe because he has a bad low back.
Yep. Baby wipes are the way to go.
Really? I thought that was
Well, these are
Baby
because
wipes, Vinny
Chadwick got his
Pistol?
nasty butt.
Guys,
spread on
shut the
chair.
fuck up with your
Oh,
big
Mr.
ass
Potato
egghead.
Head?
Yes.
Okay, do you remember anything with this case? Because I don't.
Oh, they're great.
I think I got shot.
That's all I remember.
So, I mean, if we need to recess for counsel, we absolutely can.
Sorry, guys.
But I'm gonna speak with the DA before we start this thing.
I thought we were friends, Vinny. After all we went through the last night.
Fuck up, Gus.
I will say, if you're standing over there, Agatha,
Sitting in my chair
and
3
antagonizing them,
times.
you're bringing it on yourself.
Oh my god, you're scaring me. Oh my god.
How's your
big
doing that thing
bully.
with the...
Oh, I gotta be. Okay.
Take
Yeah,
it
sorry, I was
room.
pulling my balls out.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you eat your balls out and everything.
Rami's not coming, by the way.
Wait, is this about yesterday?
Oh, okay,
It's about
understood.
yesterday or what? What's going on?
Nah, this is the casino
Yeah,
incident.
give me a moment.
Oh shit! I bet.
Mommy actually.
You're
didn't lie.
man-spreading,
I was
Tux.
like,
You're
damn, I
man-spreading.
thought they already had it set up and
Mommy
shit.
playing
Damn,
tennis.
I'm so happy.
Can I be
No,
the
no, I
jury?
thought he was, but he's not.
He's not.
Be the jury?
Not anymore. I brought him back.
It was a casino.
You brought him back. What are you,
Her
a necromancer
pussy's
now?
powerful.
Yeah, I got that powerful puss.
Damn. Okay.
Ever since the casino, I've been so afraid of getting shot. That's why I've
He's
been wearing this all
terrified.
day, man.
I know, they're bullies, bro.
Pretty
They're
good, right? Good
bullies.
story, right?
Shit, really good story.
I don't know, like a while ago. Oh no, like a week and a half ago or some shit like that.
Oh, they got here pretty
No,
quick.
I think actually 2 weeks ago, to be honest.
I mean, it got to court fairly quick.
What you mean 2 weeks ago?
Oh, Mr.
That's good for what I used to.
Mr. Shulman.
Oh.
I mean, like,
Yeah,
I remember
yeah.
they tried to
Well,
charge
3
us with the
months,
gang
no.
shit, and we were the only
Donut
ones
chair.
arrested. The other people got,
I'd
remember?
like a donut
that
for
good?
his butt to sit on.
Why did
since he
everybody
got
start
shot in
talking at the
butt.
same fucking time?
You know what? He's pretty resilient. He's you know, he just doesn't want to be singled out by any kind of special treatment. So he will sit like the rest of us. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Just wanted to make sure his butt was okay.
All right. Well, thank you to all of you who have gathered here today to bear witness to today's proceedings. Mr. K, El Ramen, and Pistone versus the state will begin momentarily. Please, as a reminder, silence your cell phones at this time. And all please rise for the Honorable
do I
Justice
do that?
Harper Harlow.
Just notifications. Do we cheer now?
This
What is this, the national anthem?
Oh, thank you.
Hi,
Might
thank
make
you
sense
everyone
if
for
I do.
coming today. The court would like to offer one reminder
Sit the
and
fuck down,
warning
right?
that you are all guests here at the pleasure of the court, and that privilege may be revoked by the court at any time. Any disruptions to this hearing from any party will be subject to contempt of court charges starting at $3,000 for the first offense, Further offenses increased by 5,000 per occurrence and/or removal from the courtroom. With that said, consider that your one warning, and I will call this hearing into.
Rico, not this shit again with the fucking beeps.
All right, may I have introductions, please? First from the plaintiffs.
Is that us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Goldschlag.
Today, representing the plaintiffs, I am the counsel, Shlomo Goldberg, of the law firm here in Los Santos, and we have Mr. Kebun and Vinny Pistone representing the plaintiffs today. Mr. Al-Rahman is unable to make it to the proceedings today, Your Honor. And while we are having these introductions, I do believe, upon speaking with the clerk, that this is the appropriate time to inform you that before the trial today, I submitted a pretrial motion for dismissal with the clerk, and I would like it to be observed.
All right, just allow me a moment to allow the defense to introduce themselves, and then I'll call a sidebar. We'll get everyone up and look at this motion, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and for the defense?
Is this the opening statement, Your Honor, or are we just
Just an
introducing?
introduction. Just an introduction.
Oh my God, he's
I
so
got it.
dumb.
Commissioner Tony Rico, joined by 2 DA officers. Go ahead.
Bro, Billy, he's so dumb.
I got the D, I got the Loveless.
Rico's
There's
dumb
the
as
attorney's
fuck.
office.
Oh my God, this guy's so dumb.
Look at him.
Bro,
Fucking
look at him
fake
with
his
his so
mustache.
Hunter Davies. There's
Oh,
the
why
attorney's
you
office.
smarter than this guy?
All right,
Fucking
may I please
bald-ass
have all
motherfucker
counsel
just
to
he has
the
gorilla glue sticking on the wig of
bench
his.
to
I know,
discuss
I
this
thought that was a wig.
trial motion?
It is a wig.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just
itch to scratch.
Fruit Halloumi. It's just good. It's not like the
The
best
question
thing in
is,
the world,
which
but it's
Weeder
just
house should we go after? I mean, anyone that is available. Should we even be picky on that front? Or yeah, maybe we just don't even be picky. Whatever's fucking
Thank you for your
available.
patience, ladies and
Because we
gentlemen.
just have to knock one out and then we can take one.
All right.
Because you don't get the one we take out, chat, isn't the one we get. That just renews a new one to be generated.
Yes,
There'll
Your
be
Honor.
a different spot.
Defense, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, plaintiffs, the floor is yours to make your
So
opening
really, it's just if we
argument.
find one that's available and we can hit it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I will warn you, I would like opening arguments
Maybe
to
we
be
just black out and it don't even matter.
3 and 4 minutes, no longer, if possible.
Very well. All right. Ladies and gentlemen of the court, Your Honorable Justice, thank you for your time today. We stand here, my plaintiffs and I, not only as representatives of the clients here, but as advocates for the justice system and fairness in general. Our legal system is built on the principle that every individual, regardless of their past, has a right to a fair trial. Now, although my clients have prior charges, we must don't let those cast a shadow over the current proceedings. The charges for which we're here today and which the appeal has been filed here, we deserve to be examined on their own merits. It's essential that we don't allow any preconceived notions based on past incidents or prejudice of the court's evaluation become present in the case. Before we delve into the specifics of this case, I want to address a matter of utmost importance. And that was that right to fair trial. It's fundamental to bedrock of our legal system, of course. It means that every person, regardless of their past, is entitled to a fair and impartial trial. Turning our attention to something very important to this case and the proceedings that will follow today is the timing of the report updates in the police files. It's our contention that the delayed addition of these crucial elements kind of hampered the ability to mount an effective case here. We filed this far before the police file was updated with new information, including a witness statement from someone that was at the scene of the incident. This, coupled with the fact that the lack of information on the original report should have led to the arrest of both parties involved, raises significant questions about the fairness and impartiality of the legal proceedings here today, in my opinion. Also, as it is crucial to the incident, the only witness statement on record comes from an employee of the casino, the other party to this incident, who has a vested interest in the outcome. This brings into the question, in my opinion, the reliability and impartiality of the available testimony. We must consider the possibility of bias, given the relationship between the witness and the owners of the casino. As we proceed here, All I ask for is fair and unbiased examination of the facts. Let us not forget that my clients, like every other individual in this city and this county, this state, and this country, they are entitled to a fair trial. And we must trust that upon careful consideration, the court will see the importance of addressing these concerns and ensuring that justice is served appropriately. Thank you, Your Honor.
Damn, Dick just
good
whipped
shit,
it up, bro.
Thank you, Mr. Goldberg.
Damn, Shalom.
This fucking idiot's gonna talk now. Jesus
Your Honor,
Christ.
thank you for hearing us today on this plea. Today, the defense would like to have you believe that they are going to be able to dismiss this on 4 key points, exhibits 1 through 4. They also want to convince you that the state had no right or ability to add in evidence at the time in which they did. I would like to argue that clearly with the fact that all witness statements that have been added to the actual court filing were all witnesses that were available to the defense counsel at the time of charging. All these officers were present and giving testimony at the time of those charges being filed. Therefore, his point is irrelevant. Furthermore, Your Honor, even if this was not the case, we have the ability to impeach what he has said here. This is a clear exemption to the inadmissible evidence doctrines in which he has referenced. Furthermore, Your Honor, we have on Exhibit 1 and 2 the lack of witness statements attesting to an assault, the lack of evidence or police statements stating which party began shooting in the incident. Both of these are easily refutable by the fact that we do have witness statements. There also was a 911 call that was levied by the owner of the casino at the time, Barlow came, which brought us to that location. In addition, Your Honor, there also, what I'd like to reference for you is a restraining order that was filed the night or the day before, which is reference 2513 against Paris Argyle. Is that correct? Who was the getaway driver listed in statements here as well that clearly shows a pattern of incidents at the
How did he
casino.
pronounce it?
have a restraining order.
Furthermore, Your Honor, on Exhibit 3, on the assault charges that were filed against Mr. K, despite him not having a weapon on his person, I want to point the court towards what the legal definition of attempt is, which is an incohate, which is covered in the assault charge. It literally says attempts to is an inchoate crime where an individual with the intent to actually commit a crime undertakes an action in furtherance of that crime, but ultimately fails. Therefore, based on that evidence alone and the fact that we have witness statements that testified to the fact that Rami El-Rahman went to the corpse, or what looked like the corpse of a disheveled Mr. Kebun, and potentially tampered with what he had. He also was GSR positive. We also have witness statements to say that at the scene. Also, on Exhibit 4, Your Honor, despite no foundation, evidence, or impartial witness statements, opposing party to the incident was not apprehended, tested for GSR, searched, and charges were levied against them. This also is completely irrelevant based on the fact of the duty to act doctrine, which has been clearly reinforced through case law over time itself. Therefore, Your Honor, we're ready to defend this
Mr.
with the
Kebab.
full brevity of the law. Also, we apologize on the state's behalf for the deflating of Mr. Kebun's ass. Throw a bullet wound.
Your Honor, I'm not comfortable with him talking about my ass like that in court.
Objection, slander against the prosecution.
Your Honor, we're simply apologizing for the fate which he has been inflicted.
It's okay, Mr. K. It's okay.
Okay, all right. If the plaintiff needs to stand for his comfort, that is all right.
I had to for 2 weeks.
I'm okay. I don't want them
Mr.
looking at my
Kebun.
ass anymore.
Very well, then we'll proceed.
What ass?
All right, so back to you, Mr. Goldberg. Do you have any evidence or witnesses to present to the court today?
Your Honor, yes,
I'm gonna need you to sing out, Louise.
My apologies, Your Honor.
You're good.
Yes, so, with these things being said, I would like to, I'd like to bring, let's see, Officer Donovan, if she's present today, I would like to call her as a witness, please.
All right, Tina, pledge your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under pains and penalties of perjury?
Oh, I swear.
So she swears.
So he just fall into our trap.
All right,
sworn
he's
it.
sworn.
Okay.
Officer Donovan, you may take a
Swearing
seat.
in court.
Any merch drop this holiday season? Yeah.
Hello, Officer Donovan. I assume that.
Yeah, we're working on them.
You know who I am. Yeah.
So hopefully.
All right. Well, Donovan, I have a very short line of questioning for you today. It was regarding a short
Gang-related-
discussion that we had while we were in the
Gang-related
cells
shooting?
the day of this incident. Now, when I gave you a call, which you had been one of the original officers to call me down to the cells when my clients were apprehended there. You and I discussed that you were at the scene at the
More
time,
hoodies,
or you were making
sweatpants?
your way to the scene from the hospital. Do I recall that correctly?
Objection. Leading.
Sustained. Would you please rephrase?
When I called you on the phone, you gave me your whereabouts and where were you at the time?
Objection, Your Honor. Lacks foundation. We haven't determined that you ever called Miss Donovan.
Sustained. Mr. Goldberg, please rephrase.
Goldberg. What the fuck is our lawyer doing?
I will rephrase. Officer Donovan.
You're the fucking one that got this
What
guy.
was our interaction on the day of the incident? Where did it begin?
I cannot say for certain. It was a very long day.
All right. Very long day. Can't say for certain.
Your Honor, I can hear the cop.
I am shouting. Sorry. That's about as loud as I can get.
Okay. So, you can't remember.
Open your ears,
it
dumb
was a very
fuck.
long day. Okay. So, that being said, do you remember?
Turn your hearing aid up.
Any phone calls between you and I?
All right, tell me that when the Phillies lose, you piece
Most
of
the
shit.
interaction I recall is down in the.
Fuck you, bitch. Stupid
All
ass
right.
motherfucker.
Okay.
How's the Yankees doing?
So,
wait.
you don't remember any phone call or anything in regard it?
Only that I can
We got Aaron Judge. We're so good now.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Donovan. So, I would not have knowledge of your goings on without you having told me on the phone during a conversation of what you had been doing.
Objection, Your Honor.
I am stating relevance to my knowledge of this case, Your Honor.
He is testifying.
I am not. I am not even leading into a narrative. I am trying to establish why I have called this witness here today in the first place. It was a phone call that was held between her and I.
Yes, Your Honor, but we would request that the answers come from the witness, not the attorney.
They make a point, Mr. Goldberg.
All right.
This fucking Goldberg guy's
that
pissing
being
me
said,
off.
Donovan,
What was he doing, man? Look at us look like fucking idiots.
before you
What
went
the
to
fuck's that guy
cell
doing?
that day? Your police work pertaining to this case.
You're the
tell
fucking
me
one that
where-
hired this
tell me
fucking
where you-
asshole.
Tell me where you were.
I didn't fucking hire
Where
him.
you were at the
This
scene.
is your fucking fault. Yes.
I never met this guy.
You said this is the best lawyer in the city.
What the fuck? Where's my laptop?
And what took you to the hospital?
The suspects on the other side were dropped off.
My laptop break?
And I wanted to check on their injuries.
Suspects on the other side? Were they suspected of anything?
They were undetained at the time.
They
Other
were
officers
undetained.
transferred.
Okay,
Under
so
detainment.
they were under detainment. Were they being detained under suspicion of anything?
Objection
they
asked
just
and
simply-
answered.
It's relevant to the case.
She clearly stated they were suspects and they were detained.
What were they suspects for?
Huh? What were they sucking suspects for? Tell me they.
Okay. And then were they released
What the fuck
at the
is that?
hospital?
Yes.
He's cleaning windows, bro.
Okay. And were any charges filed against them?
I cannot say for certain. I did not file the charges.
Excellent. Okay. Well, the plaintiffs, we rest at this time, Your Honor. That's all I needed. Thank you.
Oh shit, I think the server's gonna restart after this court case too.
I
What the
finished
fuck?
this-
I don't want
Oh,
Hey,
shit,
hey,
though.
hey,
Can you say you rest your case?
No, yeah,
Or
no,
some new
my
shit.
apologies. Rest is a
Jesus
bad
The,
word.
the
Very
phrase is
naughty
no
word.
further questions. Yes. Okay.
No further questions.
Officer Donovan, name and
Good
rank,
shit,
please.
Dick.
Jesus Christ.
You fucked up, man. What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, Goldschlang, what the fuck are you
Goldschlang,
doing,
you,
bro?
you look like an amateur out
Perfect.
there.
Thank
They
you
were
very
fucking
Listen,
saying all this
In
type
your
of shit about
position
you.
As a detective in the Major Crime
Hold on,
Division,
Mr.
have you ever dealt with cases belonging to Mr. Kebun or Mr. Piston?
Did you say pissed on?
Your Honor, again, I had the same problem with this individual. It's Pistone.
Did somebody get this dying dog from behind me over here? Officer, please shoot this thing.
Your Honor, it's just
Holy
by
fuck.
accident.
Your
doing
Honor,
that?
the judge last time told me he was going to get contempt if he continued to call me. He has to call
His
me by
dick right
Vinny in the
there.
Your
courtroom.
Honor, why is the
Mr.
defendant...
Yeah, defendant, are you?
I am not the
representing
defendant here.
yourself?
We are the plaintiffs. Thank you.
Are you
I'm gonna bring a
personally
fucking gun in here and shoot him myself.
No.
Honor, we request
Excuse
criminal
me?
threat
Hey,
charges.
this fucking guy back here.
Whoever's
Subtitles,
doing that,
Your
please.
Honor.
It's
He's
the
like a fucking
figure of
fucking
speech.
legend.
Figure of speech.
Courtroom.
It's an alliteration.
All right, so let me make this very clear.
So you're just not gonna do nothing. Great.
Cause I'm scared.
Allow
I'm
me to make
scared
this very
too,
clear
dude.
one more time. All right.
Scared.
My question is to the plaintiff.
Look
Uh,
at their
Bob,
lawyer. They're going to
Are
fucking
you per se
jail.
representing yourself, sir?
No, but this came from a court order from the other judge.
I
He has to
understand
call-
that.
he has to
I
call me
understand
Vinny.
that, sir. But if you're not
Oh,
per
shit.
se representing yourself, if you continue to speak up, then your counsel will be dismissed, and you will be representing yourself.
So he's allowed to badger the.
Your Honor,
Yeah,
if
good.
I've
Crazy.
Upset Mr. Piston in any way, I can't
Okay, here
recall
we
this.
go.
I just got
Say
out
that
of the
again, see
hospital
what
last
happens.
night. This
All right,
morning.
for the-
from a-
Commissioner, for the remainder of this case, would you be willing to reference him as the plaintiff?
I could attempt to do that, Your Honor. I'm not that well at the moment, but I'll try my best.
All right. So we will refer to Mr. Pistone.
Piston.
Stone, like a stone.
Yes.
Stone? Okay.
Oh, it's pissed on.
For the remainder of this case, if possible, please refer to him as the plaintiff, or the plaintiff sitting on the left side of the
Yes.
defendant bench.
Yes, Your Honor. I will
Okay.
refer to Rufus from here on out
right.
as the plaintiff.
Okay, my name is not Rufus, dickhead.
Oh, Vinny. Vinny, sorry.
And also, officers,
slander?
if you hear any noises coming from the gallery that have not made it to the bench but are distracting to either the plaintiff or the defense side, please charge them with the contempt of court.
Yes,
on the third
ma'am.
offense, it's $13,000, and they will be removed from my courtroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Coming to him.
Officer
Watch.
Donovan, as I was saying before, have you had any investigations that have led you to investigating the plaintiffs?
There's been a few shootings. Namely the one that started up the break the gas station.
But that's okay, Miss Donovan.
Chad, how do you think this is going? Because
Reference to
right now,
Grape
be real,
Seed
this
gas.
shit ain't gonna fucking look good for us. What the fuck is
Could you go
Schlong
into more
doing?
detail there, please?
Objection. Relevance here. What does another case have to do with anything of proceedings today?
I'm impeaching your witness, Mr. Goldberg.
This seems a little more prejudicial than probative, Your Honor. This
Your
is
Honor,
another
we're-
case entirely.
I'm actively impeaching the plaintiff's witness that they've called, Your Honor. I have every right to impeach the witness.
Your Honor, we're establishing a link as to why these individuals known, which is actually
Goldberg,
one
he's
of
leading.
their defenses. Therefore, we are trying to establish that has occurred.
All right,
Fuck
I
the
will give
wall!
a short bit of lenience to this, but you may continue your questioning.
Delvin, no boss.
Let me be more direct, Miss Donovan.
Fuck the law!
During your investigations, has your investigations linked the plaintiffs to one of Miss Paris Argyle?
Okay, your turn now.
Objection,
Say it
Your Honor.
louder.
Leading.
What I do?
Well,
Your Honor,
Your
as
Honor,
you know, as
Your
cross-examination, we are allowed to lead the
He's
witness.
cross-examining. I'm sorry.
Very well, Your Honor.
Honor, you called the witness, buddy.
They
I
want me
didn't
to
have
go out. Rosa, get the fuck up there.
Do you, in your investigations, have you made a causal link between the plaintiffs and Paris Argyle?
I think the plaintiff lawyer is crashing and burning.
Miss Donovan.
Through social connections, I have.
Miss Donovan, talk to me, Miss Donovan.
Excellent.
Talk to
Have
me,
you
Miss Donovan.
ever- Are you familiar with the restraining order that was placed upon Miss Argyle?
Yes, from the casino.
Yes. Reference in the case file. Do you need the number?
Yes.
What did you do?
Be pretty or something.
DAs, help me out.
2513.
251.
4456.
Could you please read that to me, Miss Donovan? And for the court, yes, please.
Restraining order has been accepted by law enforcement officers. Protects one Diamond Casino staff and ownership from Rosa Garcia, Carmela Corset, and Paris Argo.
Wait,
Garcia,
holy shit, y'all got training
Argo
orders?
not able to be in or within 500 feet from the Diamond Casino property, which includes the parking lot, or else they will be arrested
in order
and
for a
charged with
restraining order
trespassing.
to be in effect, the party has to know about it.
Have you made any links between
Yeah, right?
the plaintiffs and the individuals listed in the restraining order?
Yes, Carmela Corset and Rosa Garcia were seen on scene at the Great Sea Shootout Diamond.
Three of you get a restraining order at a casino.
Defended ourselves? What the
Can you restate for the record, please?
Rosa Garcia and Carmela Corset were seen on scene at the Great Sea Shootout I had previously mentioned.
Great Sea
Um,
Shootout?
And how were they identified, Officer Donovan?
There was a picture taken of Rosa in her vehicle, and I believe Carmela was actively shooting while Rosa was sitting in a vehicle driving to the
Right. Yeah. That's it.
All right. Plaintiffs, would you like to redirect?
Oh, Goldschlag.
No, not at this time, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Detective Donovan, you may step down. You will remain under oath for the rest of the trial or the rest of this hearing, should your presence be requested again. Mr. Goldberg, your next witness.
What the fuck is going on right now?
I'm so fucking confused.
Yes, I did list Chief Lane as a witness, but as he is not here today, I withdraw my request for him as a witness. But I would like the actual case itself, the case file number 2522, to be admitted into evidence.
What the fuck am I in court for?
It already has been.
It already has been. This was the evidence that you wanted to strike at the beginning.
Yes. Now, I would like to bring up some very important factors in this. So, in the opening statements by the commissioner here, he's saying that none of the listed things on my suit are relevant because they did in fact have all of these things. But at the time of me filing this on the 29th of September, 3 days after the occurrence, none of these things were available to me. None of these things were available to my clients to read in their own case, the defense. These things were not updated until the 3rd and the 4th of October, well after I had filed these proceedings. So, the fact that this was allowed to proceed forward and we were allowed to make a court date for this, regardless of what was available to the police, was not available to me or my clients.
Mm-hmm.
Christ, Kay, all right.
So,
Objection, Your Honor. This is irrelevant. At the end of the day, Mr. Goldberg had access to all of this information at the time of charges being pressed in the cells. He is even calling witnesses
I mean,
in
I
which the
could
witness
say all the
statements have
truth.
been provided upon the case file, like
Your Honor,
Chief
he
Lane,
also
etc.
requested that he also requested that this case file be
admitted into evidence, so I'm not sure why he is arguing the validity of it when he wants it to be admitted.
I want this to be admitted into evidence because this was updated after the fact. There was only one statement on there from a Officer Whitlock up until the 3rd or the 4th of October. My proceedings were filed on the 29th, so I had no access. This is
Schmantics, gabantics. I know the truth, and I can say the goddamn truth.
You don't know the
There was
truth.
investigative report 2451. Investigative
Screw
report
that report!
2451 that has been tagged to the lawyers that actually go through the entire investigation of this part of this case and the original casino shooting as of the 28th of September, Your Honor.
What was that report number? I'm sorry, the radio. noises were loud.
2451.
2451. Thank you.
Absolutely, Your Honor. And it also coincides with an arrest from the incident
is going on right now?
2461, not from the defendant, however, but it was still part of this incident. Therefore, there was information available to the
What the
counselor
fuck is
as
going
of
on?
September 28th.
I
will
can say
also
with
remind the
certainty.
counselor that this is an appeal case, which opens up the case for the evidence available for the charges. So the state is providing this evidence
I'm gonna lose
as
my fucking
reasons
mind.
for their charging.
Son, why have we not
Absolutely,
talked
Your
about the
Honor.
actual fucking issue the whole time?
Absolutely, Your Honor. So at the end of the day, 2451, whatever that is, I had access to 2522. Nothing else was linked to me, despite what is said by the district attorneys over there. I had no access to this, and therefore could not pose a reasonable defense for my clients.
Vinny, come over here.
Your Honor.
You're not.
Why didn't we question him? Hey,
you're not
why did you
doing
guys
it,
try to give him
sir.
fucking
Right,
gang
we're
shit?
appealing
Hey,
the
why didn't you
charges,
arrest
which
the other
means you're
fucking
asking
party?
the state to
Hey,
produce
did
the
you know that
evidence
one of the
in court
cops is dating
to make
a person in the other party?
Absolutely.
I don't know
I
what this
get
guy's
this,
doing.
Your Honor, but as they
Look at
pleaded
me, I'm
not
fucking
guilty to these
freaking out over
charges,
here. I think we're gonna get more
I have
charges
to
on
pose
us.
a reasonable defense against why they are saying not guilty. That's what I'm saying. 2522 was the only thing available. If there was an investigative report available to me, it never came up.
Fuck, are we in math
If I
class?
input my, let's see, into the MDP, if I input my client's
This is
names,
2522.
if I input the case number, nothing was available to me. I can attest to that. I will say that on penalty of perjury myself.
I do also believe that it was filed in the pre-trial motion, and it was stated that those individuals were present at the time of the
What's
charging.
going on with us,
and
Dave?
gave verbal testimony.
Yes, Your Honor.
Am I misremembering that? Okay, I'm just checking.
Your Honor, I would like to argue that this is a skill issue.
Your Honor, we were also updated as of yesterday, from what I understand. However, as this is an appeal, we're strictly here to argue the evidence against the individual and then appealing as a not guilty, no contest plea. So we are here to provide that evidence, which we have done so.
Your Honor, I would also like to offer an apology from the defense table for saying that it was a skill issue.
I
And-
suppose that goes to Goldberg to accept or refute that.
And I would encourage you to hold the DA in contempt for that comment.
Really tweaking off that
That's a
gabagoo.
very good point.
Oh fuck!
Bailiff,
The fuck!
please charge Mr. Agatha one count.
we just
of contempt
run
of
the
court
fuck outta here?
for $1,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Who's
Honor, I
getting
would
contempt?
also state, however, that the individuals
got
did
a
have
lawyer.
access to all witnesses from
She's
the
almost
state
getting
side that they
contempt?
could have
How?
interviewed or called to the scene.
No,
And
they're
the
giving her.
witnesses were available at the
Oh, good.
time the
Fuck
charges
us.
were
What the
placed,
fuck just happened?
regardless of whether or not statements had been attached to the filing
Yeah,
as of
don't worry
yet.
about it, Mr. K.
Are you okay?
I'll deal with that later.
What just happened?
Your Honor, perhaps a recess would be in order.
Sure.
So we can all get our ducks in a row.
Absolutely. Let's call a
Can we kidnap me?
I don't know what's even going on at this point.
7-minute
out.
recess.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
we
I'm
will
too- I'm
reconvene at
confused.
35
fuck
after
you.
the hour.
Oh my God.
All right, Mr. K, Mr. Pistone, let's take a walk.
Come on, what the fuck is going on right now? 2456, 447. Am I in fucking math class or I'm in court over here?
Yes.
Same thing.
I didn't even know.
Is it the casino or like what the fuck is that? We already handled that. They took it away the same night.
I should make a run for it.
Oh.
Filed it.
Said we do it, bro.
Person knowing.
No clue what happened.
Hey, what's
No, they have to tell him.
What a fucking day.
I know it's a case number,
All right,
chat.
okay.
Fucking-
Don't forget to vote while you're here.
Call
All right,
roleplay
come
chat.
on.
Jesus
Let's
Christ.
go into my office here.
Good luck, brother.
Yo, Goldschlager. cockface. Well, you're fucking this whole
Come on.
case up for us.
Cockface, what you doing, man?
Well, you just gotta get to the fucking goddamn point. I'm losing my fucking my marbles are going.
All right, gentlemen, listen. The whole thing that I've been doing before, I made a pre-trial motion to dismiss this case based on their shitty police work. They ain't going for it.
And what was the shitty police work? That they tried to arrest us for gang-related shooting, never arrested the other side, and that one of the officers is dating one of those people that was on the other side?
Yeah, absolutely. So the thing being here is I'm trying to get this dismissed because they updated you guys' police files on the 3rd and the 4th. And I submitted this on the 29th. So they had all this shit that I couldn't visibly see. And they're arguing that I had access to it because you guys heard it in the cells. It's horse shit. So I'm not trying to argue this case trying to get you guys out of an assault with a weapon charge here. I'm trying to get this whole fucking thing dismissed. Now these guys brought the full arsenal. First off, they brought a justice that is a fucking hot ass. They have the commissioner on the other side. The Agatha came out of fucking mothballs to come and do this, and she's got her assistant here. They're hitting us with the full force. I mean, so they're ready to play ball here. They're gonna. They don't want to have the case dismissed. They want to argue. They want to argue that this whole fucking assault with a deadly weapon is gonna stick at the end of the day. So now I have to argue that case. Now we'll hit it from a different angle. I've just been trying to do this without perjuring myself to say that, hey, let's just dismiss it. But they ain't gonna go for it. So now I gotta argue assault with a deadly weapon ×4 on you guys' big.
Shlomo, you better get us the fuck out of this.
Listen, Goldschlager, get to the fucking point of this fucking bullshit.
If I gotta shoot somebody, just say the words. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker.
No, Mr.
Hey, you know what? I could put
the
the chip eaters behind them. I started driving their side crazy because that fucking dude was dying it sounded like a dying dog behind us, man. The cop wasn't doing shit.
Yeah, Mr. Dudley is quite annoying. So
listen. Don't worry about the fucking court case 258376 point to the second power. Just get to the fucking point already and get us the fuck out of here.
The semantics are working. I said we go straight on these motherfuckers. Stop dropping out real facts on these bitches.
All right. Well,
I say we just kill everybody.
Your Honor, they some bitches. What happened is that officer fucking that dude, and they be fucking, so they don't want to cause no problems. So they be doing all that shit, and they be getting out of the West because they fucking each other. And the truth of the matter is, if you're gonna arrest somebody for gang-related shooting, then you need to arrest both parties because that would be a gang-related fucking shooting.
Exactly. I got you. And this is something that I'm going to bring up. I literally just in my introduction. Like the whole statement, did I not say that we need to be impartial, that we need to consider the past? Yes, of course, but not let it lead to prejudicial treatment of my clients. I've been trying to get this thing dismissed. I even did the pre-trial motion. They ain't having it. So now we got to play ball with the charges as they stand. And
I'll get some people stabbed in the courtroom.
No, Mr. K.
Yeah, that's perfect. I like it.
Hey. Gadwick, what?
Hello. Hello, Two-Miler. When did you go blonde?
Go blonde.
Last time I saw the Two-Miler, wasn't blonde hair.
Maybe next time.
Look, I needed a change, okay? I had to go blonde.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm a big fan.
Officers, how's it going?
Thank you.
He's a big fan of you, man?
To be honest.
Why? Also, Vinny, isn't that fucking the chief or whatever the fuck he is? That's like straight up slander, right? With your name? That's straight up slander. He's damaging your reputation.
The fuck out of here, dick. You ain't with us. You fucking rat.
Oh. Huh? What do you mean, rat? No
Oh.
Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit. Get out. Get away.
Shit. Motherfucker.
Fuck over, you cocksucker.
You ever hit my...
What the fuck?
Okay. Oh,
What's going on?
I mean, you didn't do it on purpose.
Hashtag calm down. No more punching.
Needs a
please.
goddamn inhaler, dude.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this floor is so shiny.
Not a fucking rat.
Get the fuck out of here, rat.
Oh my god.
Not a
She
rat.
was attacked.
Oh my god, the floor was wet and there's no wet floor sign.
Oh my god.
I need a lawyer.
Carmela, you should sue. Sue.
Oh
my
god. As well.
Sue that bald guy.
Honestly,
Sue this
Vin,
guy.
I said we run the
Sue
fuck
him
out
right
of the
here.
bitch.
Huh? What happened?
I said we just leave. Let's fucking escape while we can.
Hey, wait for this motherfucker, though.
I don't know if I can contain myself in there. I might shoot somebody.
I'm losing my fucking
Tripping
mind,
the
bro.
sweat from his
That's why I
bald
told
head.
Ray to go get a fucking knife for me.
Thought you were gonna say something else. For a
Okay.
I mean, what you gonna do then? What the plan, dude?
I told you not to kill the judge, homie.
Yeah, I mean, I got you, fam. I mean, listen, I'm gonna be real with you. I think they forgot to go security right now.
Hungry, bro.
Oh no.
Oh, jeez.
What the fuck, Where'd he?
What the fuck? Where's the court?
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
hey, what the hell?
I slipped.
None of us had masks on, sir.
No masks unless you're ugly.
Other one as a second
wanna
one.
see.
I'm very beautiful, okay? I'm very beautiful.
Want to see? Want to see? Yeah, get in
Get some
there.
long
Yeah,
legs.
get in that prison.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
Hey, Gunner. What?
Can we help you, Mr. Kebun?
What? I can't walk? It's illegal to walk?
What was that?
Was it illegal to walk?
Well, you're going by the chief justice.
What? It's illegal to fucking walk now? God.
No, it's not. I was asking if you
Sir,
need help.
you
So
are
said
not
you look
allowed
lost.
I can't walk. I can't walk.
Not in there. No.
Jeez, you guys are so
I'm
ridiculous.
sorry. I
Can't even
apologize,
walk.
but not in there.
What are you doing? You stalking me?
Yeah.
I can't go for a walk?
I'm the bailiff. I gotta make sure you're not doing anything stupid.
I can just leave. If I wanted. The fuck? You kidnapping me?
No.
What the fuck? You kidnapping me?
No.
Yeah, that is not.
Well, Gussie. We meet again, Gussie.
Hey, Vinny, how you doing?
What?
Yo, Gus, let me get a joint, bro. Thanks.
I don't have any
this
marijuana.
scary
On the
enough?
side.
Thanks, bro.
Just.
Jesus Christ.
Thanks, Gus.
At least here, man.
Right, God. Jeez,
I
Chris,
don't smoke
I can do
Do
everything
it
in
out
this place.
there. Jesus
There's
Christ.
so many rules in this courthouse.
Yeah.
For. God.
Okay.
Can we
Hey,
smoke
Gus,
weed?
can you give me Gomez and Mr. K a minute, please?
Wait, what?
What?
Hey, can you give me K and Miss Gomez here a minute? Can you step away?
You want me to step away?
Yeah, you could step at the. You can stay at the top of the fucking stairs.
Are you
don't
sure
mind.
about this, Gomez?
I don't. Do you
Are
guys
you
have?
sure about
I
this,
don't think
Gomez?
Guys have weapons, do you? I don't think so.
No, we were
Are
searched.
you
We
sure
pat
about
down.
this, Gomez?
Now listen, Gomez. All right. Listen, Kay. We have a common enemy with her.
You need to stop with that bullshit right now.
Kay. Fucking Rico. We gotta kill that motherfucker for her.
You need to calm down. I got it.
Okay. Rico beat the shit out of this cop and left her for fucking dead and said he didn't do anything.
Are you
So she
sure
wants-
about that?
So she wants us to put a hit out on him.
Hey, Schlong.
I never said that.
I think they're ready in here. You guys
All right, we're coming out. Come on, Bim.
All right.
What the fuck?
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Okay.
Miss Perry. Is your perfume fromage from?
No, it's
from
eau de,
froma-
no, it's eau de Paris. No.
I thought. No fromage.
No, it's eau de Paris.
Alright, is everyone ready to proceed?
I don't speak German.
Yes, Your Honor.
What? That's French, bro.
Court is back in session.
Oh God, she slammed that down.
Alright. Did you need to continue your objection, Mr. Goldberg?
No, we can proceed. I would like to call a witness at this time.
Absolutely. It's your prerogative to do so.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. So, in lieu of Chief Lane not being here, in regards to something that was said by the defense here, I would like to, if the court deems it appropriate, call a witness, Miss Rosa Garcia, to the stand.
As this was not a witness listed on the docket, does the defense have an objection?
Yes, Your Honor. We did not have any time to prepare for a witness that was not listed.
Your Honor, I'm calling this witness based on statements made by the defense regarding a restraining order that involved Miss Garcia. I wanted to ask her
Yes, Your
some
Honor.
questions regarding that restraining order.
Objection, Your Honor. Nothing has been said that would link Miss Garcia to this individual incident. It would just link her to a restraining order.
Quoted directly.
It would not. Yes. However, the only person that has been linked to the scene and a causal link has been attempted to be made against is Iris Argel.
Correct. Your Honor. We will bring a restraining order due to
You need to calm down.
that individual, not Miss Garcia.
All right, let's start charging some contempt. You will keep your mouth closed in my audience, or you will be removed from my audience. Is that clear?
Thank you, Your Honor, because I can't even focus.
This is not an MMA fight. There will be no heckling. You will sit quietly and you will listen, or you will leave.
Thank you, Your Honor. The savagery was making me sick to my stomach.
At this time, with the objections listed by the defense, I will not be allowing this witness. Unless there can be more relevant reason why she should be called. That can be agreed upon by both sides.
Yes, Your Honor. So the relevance here is they asked Officer Donovan about a restraining order regarding Miss Garcia and a few other individuals, and it pertains directly to this case. Obviously, otherwise the defense wouldn't have asked the question. So, since this bears repeating that there was a restraining order involved,
Yes,
I
Your
would
Honor.
just like to know a few questions regarding that restraining order, as far as who was served these papers and how it pertains to this case. I'm just trying to elaborate.
Your Honor, if Miss Argyle was here due to the fact that they were part of this situation, that would be one thing. However, we are not bringing up Miss Garcia in this trial whatsoever, or this pending trial. Although
My
multiple
name's been
people
said
were
twice.
covered by that restraining order, it is not what we're referring to. We are referring only to the individuals that were part of this incident.
I do believe Paris is here. In
I'm
response to what
here.
the defense just said, Your Honor.
No,
Would
I
you like
stated in where the individual, we can still object either way due to the fact that you're introducing
here
new
goes fucking
witnesses.
Lois
They were not on the
Griffin.
witness
Twitter,
list,
man.
and we were not given time to speak with or prepare witnesses or questions for the witness.
Sit down, Lois.
We introduced a piece of paper document evidence, like testimony. It was a document
Honor.
approved by a just.
Sorry, I am not trying to interrupt you.
Go ahead, Mr. Goldberg.
Your Honor, what I find is I wouldn't call a witness to the stand unless it had some sort of relevance to this case. So them saying that their restraining order that had to do with a completely other incident in Grapeseed has some sort of relevance to this case, yet me calling someone up to the stand to elaborate on said piece of evidence.
Your Honor, if he
Your
wants
Honor,
her
it was
as a
about the
witness, let her have her
casino,
as the
not
witness.
Grapeseed.
All right,
Let
let's-
it happen.
All right, I will give you a very little bit of leniency with this, Mr. Goldberg. You'd better make some relevant questions.
Your Honor, I'd just like to correct the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The restraining order is for casino, not Grapeseed. It just happened after the Grapeseed incident, but it had to do with shootings and offenses at the casino, along with the casino owner.
Yeah,
We can
that's
determine that
neither
in the
here nor
cross.
there as to why I asked.
Yeah, I would save that for your cross. Oh, sorry.
Hugs, don't be scared.
Don't
It'll
worry,
work out, okay?
All right, Miss Rosa Garcia, if you're in the audience, you've
Oh,
been
Rosa.
summoned by
Oh,
this
Miss
court
Rosa.
up here.
Guys, come on, I just
Wait,
got.
are we all getting up right now or what?
I thought that was going up. I guess Rosa was going up.
Dude.
Oh, no, it's Rosa.
Sit, man.
I moved out the way so she could get in.
Just sit back down.
You're on me,
What are we
Dick.
doing?
What the?
Do you swear this? Do you swear
no room.
tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
Oh, you kinda
and
trapped him in
the
there.
penalties of perjury.
All right, please have sworn, Miss Garcia. You may take a seat.
snuggle in between.
Thank you, Miss Garcia. Now, Rosa.
Dude, my Twitter's going crazy.
So for the sake of the proceedings,
Bro,
here
you're
today,
going viral.
Please tell me when
Bro,
did
like
you
my
find
Twitter.
out
Yes, I retweeted and
about
liked it.
this
I got a new one.
restraining order
Oh,
in
no.
question today?
Approximately 4 minutes ago when it came out of Donovan's mouth.
So you're telling me you had no
Gotcha,
papers
boy,
served to you?
gotcha.
No papers, no
Well,
word,
how do you
no
not have a
call,
picture
no
yet?
notification, nothing.
He did, and then it disappeared on me.
So you had no knowledge of a restraining order against you or anything to do with the casino? up until
Absolutely
today?
none.
Excellent. And for the record, one more time, who was listed on the restraining order?
I wouldn't know. I never saw it.
All right, great. So I will ask, for the sake of clarity here, since you brought it up, Commissioner or one of the honorable members of the DA, who was listed on this?
You're not supposed to question their bench. You question the witness, and if there's anything you'd like information on, the witness.
What's this guy to the left? Is he a better lawyer? This
All right.
fucking guy playing with his
Otherwise, this
Apple
isn't a
iPad over
relevant
here?
witness.
Okay, no further questions, Your Honor.
Just a
Irrelevant.
Oh, fuck you, damn it.
To this proceeding, ma'am.
You got this, bro. You got
Miss Garcia. Good day. Did you or did you not step foot in the casino the day before the incident in question?
I've been to the casinos almost every day for the past 2 weeks. I have meetings there.
However, on the day of question, Miss Garcia, were you there the day before? Yes or no?
When was the date?
No, because she was in his
September 25th.
I was there, yes.
Could you explain what you were doing there, Miss Garcia?
Yeah, I was there with a bunch of my friends having a meeting in the penthouse. We were told by the owner who came to the penthouse to evacuate, which we did. We came downstairs, and a girl who was standing at the bar, later known as Autumn, pulled a gun and started to shoot at my friends. When I saw a gun come out, I left and went to my car. I was sitting in my car, and another masked man that was not part of my original party came up to my car and waved a gun in my passenger door saying, "I suggest that you drive away from here now." To which I did.
Miss Garcia, did the police attempt to arrest you for your involvement in this incident?
Absolutely not.
There we go.
Did you make a call to any individuals within the police force in regards to this incident?
I did. I called you and told you what happened.
And what did I say?
Pillow talk.
I don't recall. I think you said file a report.
After that incident, were you abundantly clear who the casino was owned by? Yes or no?
Nope. I know a man with a cowboy hat says he's the owner, and that's all the information I still know to this day.
Your Honor, the witness is referencing Rallo Kane, the 911 caller. Miss Garcia, in addition, I can ask
What the fuck
that.
is going on now?
Oh, you're going viral.
Your Honor, at this time, I am going to pass questioning to one of the DAs.
All right, prosecutors Davey or to Agatha, do you have any further questions for this witness?
I do, Your Honor. Only 1 or 2 questions since it's been brought up. Ms. Garcia, you stated that you meet at the casino regularly to hold meetings. Are you the owner of the casino, or do you have a contract with the owner of the casino to do such?
I'm not the owner, nor do I have a contract.
So you're having these meetings on private property that is owned by another individual?
Yes, but the owner with the cowboy hat, 4 or
Does not-
5 days
yes,
ago.
ma'am. Do you have a contract or an
I
agreement
do not
with
have a
that
contract.
individual? Okay. That's all, Your Honor. Just stating for the record that there was no legal reason for the individuals to be at the casino.
At least it's a public place. What the fuck legal reason do
Mr.
you need?
Goldberg, any redirect?
I can't hear. What did you say?
She needs some fashion advice from you.
If you're speaking, you're gonna need to speak up, Mr. Goldberg.
Yes, my apologies. Sorry.
You're all right.
Yo, Tex, give me the
Miss Garcia,
5 gifted earlier. I appreciate you,
said
bro. Let me catch up on these
frequent the
subs.
casino for meetings, correct?
I do, yes.
All right. And so, on the occasion that you were there,
Mr. Blue, Void
Did you ever
Waffles,
have,
Cleo Guns, No Froyo, Free
were you
Wins,
ever
Pickles Dipped and
told to leave
Ranch.
the premises by anybody
Enjoy
the casino?
the Ferguson, Italian Mike,
the day in
Fierce
question
TV,
or
Grizzly,
after?
Victor, Lewis, Royce Dell,
Just in general.
More Rips, Mop Sinks, Tim the Crazy Man.
leading to the day in question.
No,
General
on the
Trees,
contrary,
Waddle, Dread.
I was
Give
told
me the subs.
specifically by the man in the cowboy hat that I can use the
Objection,
penthouse
leading
for
the
my meeting.
witness and putting into place fact that is not there, Your Honor. We've already established the owner had no knowledge nor no permission to this witness in order to be at the
The fuck is
casino.
Joe Dirt
Whether they
talking
were
about over
there or
there?
not is in question, not in question.
You are only able to ask.
Get the hell up, Madam.
As well as this individual is not a witness to the incident that we're even to in this appeal today.
You're so dumb. You're so
okay,
dumb.
Thank you, prosecutor.
Everything you're saying is
You're
wrong.
only
You're
able to
so
ask
stupid.
redirect questions about questions asked in cross. Just a reminder.
Yes, absolutely. So
You're so dumb.
This is leading up to this. Let me rephrase this, Miss Garcia. You were there, as stated by the defense. You were there for meetings. You had no contract. However, you were there for meetings in a public place, a private as it may be. It is open to the public.
Yes.
Does not require a contract to go into a public place. For
Objection, Your Honor. The
Your Honor.
penthouse is not public. It is private
This guy
property.
has been objected every fucking question
Your Honor,
he
this
asks.
is also entering into
Where did you
motion
find this
evidence,
guy on the
which
fucking
has
corner
not-
store?
Joe Dirt.
There is no
Whoever that
evidence
is,
been
find
in
them
been
and
in
remove
this
them from the
court.
courtroom, please.
Yeah, please. They're trying to listen to the court case.
Yeah, who the fuck said that?
This is
Speak up right
introducing
now.
evidence into the case.
You know what? As far as the redirect here, I don't have anything further, Your Honor. I just wanted to bring into relevance.
We gotta start firing back at these
offense
fucking lawyers.
In regards to her being there.
Oh shit, Mr. Rico's back. What's that?
Lawful reasons in a public
the
place.
beautiful
That's all I was trying to do with my statement.
The dirtbag's back?
I therefore, if they've got something,
Was he
to
Tony
throw
Rico,
about,
right?
I withdraw it.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You know
Your
what?
Honor, just to clarify, our only objection is that it is not a public place. It is actually an owned business, and the penthouse is a private location. And I want to have that
That's
corrected
very
on the
close-
record since
That's
the...
very close to testifying yourself. Counsel
Yes, Your Honor.
Davis.
My apologies.
Look at Twitter.
All right. Are there any other witnesses that you would like to call, Mr. Goldberg?
No, Your Honor. There were no other witnesses I would like to call at this
Okay. Do you
time.
have
Thank you.
any evidence? Any other evidence you wish to present?
Yes, I would actually like to reference some information from these case files, Your Honor. And I would like.
Damn,
to,
Tony. Someone found your
for
fucking school yearbook.
Where'd you find that?
I don't know, man. It's on the internet.
Which specifically would you like to reference, Mr. Goldberg?
Stop it.
Yes, Your Honor. I would
I
like
swear.
To, I would like to reference report
Fucking
number
dog alley.
2215. And I would specifically like to go to the report, the officer's statement from Officer 765.
It's very funny.
So the statement is as follows. I processed Mr. Kebun, who I found inside the store in Grapes.
Yeah, it's Balchin from fucking One Punch.
He was shot in the buttocks. He didn't have a firearm on him, but was GSR positive and was let go subsequently in the cells, not having enough evidence to charge him with anything. They took some contraband off him in this incident, and then he was
Ball
let
chin
go.
Tony, that's what we'll call him.
Now, the relevance of me bringing this up in evidence, Your Honor, is the same thing applied to case number 252, the incident in question, where Mr. Kebun was GSR positive.
Everyone's saying my name different.
Possession.
Literally everybody.
In this, regardless of him not having a gun in his possession, he was charged with assault with a deadly weapon ×4.
Objection, Your Honor. First of all, this is admission of evidence that has not been approved by yourself, and we are objecting to its submission of these court processes. Number two,
I think it is
Your Honor,
very relevant.
Number two, Your Honor, on top of
Which
this,
is Mr. K.
what the counsel is attempting to do is to show a pattern of officers either letting Mr. Kebun go, but not having a gun in his possession. However, what I would say on that matter is the fact that what counsel is attempting to do is to create precedents out of cell calls, which is not what precedents are set.
You say it like Kevin. Except with
so,
B-U-N.
with all due respect,
Kevin.
Mr. Goldberg, these are not court precedents. These are precedents based on officer decisions.
Said that proceedings in a cell call, those are in
only if supervised, only supervised by a justice.
Who is that?
What the fuck?
Whoever it is needs to be removed from this courtroom right now. I'm not joking anymore.
This is crazy. Who keeps yelling stuff?
Please go ahead.
Yes. At any rate, Your Honor, you cannot use precedents from cell calls as every officer is using their determination in which
we're going to get caught soon enough.
That is, if we do that, we're setting ourselves up for failure, just based on the fact that we could have corrupt officers or officers who are potentially ill-trained or cadets could be setting precedents for court, which is unreal.
So, and to clarify my statement to you, Mr. Goldberg, cell negotiations are similar to a trial setting, but they do not set precedent. The only precedent that's set in the state is by justices sitting on a bench. If it's not overseen by a justice, then there is no argument for precedent.
Understood. So
common practice, yes. Precedent, no.
So my question to you, Your Honor, is, and very respectfully, cell calls are not to set precedents here. And as the commissioner said, officers who are, and in his words, ill-trained to, for proceeding's sake.
There you go, Schlong.
These things don't set precedents. However,
there you go, Schlong.
The precedence is set for me to have to retain all of the information said in the cells to present the case to you, regardless of whether or not it was on the document, the actual court or the police report document. Do you see what I'm saying? I have no access to these things.
You see what he's saying, Your Honor?
So,
objection to relevancy again, Your Honor. At this point, we're talking about the mere prosecution of a charge setting precedent, which is completely ridiculous.
I'm struggling to see what your point is here, Counselor Goldberg.
Okay, my point being made is we're cherry picking things here that make it easy for the defense to say these things don't set precedent in court. However, then me to derive my entire case off of things that were said in the cells, yet we're not on the actual police file.
The onus is on you if you're going to appeal the case. The onus is on you to get those reports and get those evidence, get that information. It was stated very clearly by the DA's office that the police report was available 24 hours after the plea.
The police report was incomplete and was only added to 4 days before this trial.
Do you have access to police reports, sir? Or did you
Your Honor,
Your
Honor, I would like to ask for an expedient judgment on whether or not we have talked in circles around whether or not this case is going to be dropped or not, and I would ask for an expedient judgment because at this point we have argued everything that we can argue on both sides here. Mr. Goldberg is continuing to rotate in circular arguments. I'm doing the same thing, and we just get a judgment.
I will reserve 2 minutes for Mr. Goldberg to make a final statement, for defense to make a final statement, and then I.
And what's the bald cop's name?
So, Mr. Goldberg, would you care to make a 2-minute
Gus.
closing statement?
Yes, Your Honor. So, in light of the things that I brought forth to the court today, you know, I feel as though I brought relevant evidence as to why this should have been dismissed. However, upon hearing the interlocution between the defense and the Honorable Justice here, it seems like that is insufficient. And I feel as though today we are setting a very dangerous precedent if this does not go in the way of my plaintiffs, as far as police being able to insert statements and witness statements and police statements into the police dockets after the fact of me filing my court proceedings. With that being said, I have nothing left to say, Your Honor. Thank you very much for your time.
Is this closing statements for the case or just for that argument?
That's my closing statement, Commish.
For the case, Commissioner, for the case.
But
You asked for an expedient judgment, so I'm assuming that means the defense.
well, I meant for the judgment on whether or not the evidence should be stricken. But okay. That's fine if we want to go to the
expedient judgment here. Do we?
You wanted the expedient judgment on that particular evidence. So in that case, then you've made your statement, Mr. Goldberg. With regards to this, I'm not going to be
fuck?
What is going on?
What is going on, man?
Wait, you're not going to be allowing our evidence?
No, I'm not going to be allowing the case that he wants to be brought up. He's trying to reference the whole argument about the relevance of whatever it was he was trying to bring up, this other new report.
I'm
misunderstanding this whole argument
Your
because
Honor,
we've been talking in circles.
Bringing this in, if you type in to the MDT 2522, this was put into evidence. This was put into the case files by the police department and the prosecution.
Stop that.
Case
Stop that.
2522.
What? This shit's got me stressed.
This is case number 3215.
3215 is not 2522.
Now,
I'm
if you read
confused
the
about what
subtext there, Your Honor, it is Kebun versus State, case number
This fucking
2522.
judge feels like she's always all for the cops. This fucking rat.
Rosa, can you move a little bit?
Yeah, you're right, Vin. This judge is so dumb.
This is I did not put that there myself. That was put in by the DA prosecutor. That's why I'm
This
bringing up.
2522 is an arrest report.
Please.
Yes,
That
Your
was
Honor.
added to the document.
Yes, in case 3005.
You gotta get
Excuse me?
Kebun versus State
where you
number
trying to go?
2522. These both appear when you go into the
All the way.
Those aren't on the docket.
Please get out.
2522.
Those aren't on the docket.
Please get out. Yep.
It's irrelevant.
It's irrelevant as to whether or not they're on the docket. They show up when you look for case 2522. If it's pertinent to this case, then it's pertinent to this case. Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. I want to be very clear.
You are detained.
Your Honor, I am not arguing that. What I am arguing is that counsel keeps going back to the relevancy of the information we've added to the case file.
Oh, shit.
I do not care if he's referencing things that are on the docket. We are not objecting to that. The only thing I objected to on that was the relevancy to this proceeding. The only thing that I'm objecting to is him trying to strike consistently the evidence that is on the case file.
She was.
I would like a judgment on that, so we can move along with the court.
Everyone, they're trying to take me away. They're trying to detain me. What do I do? I don't have a gun. Leave me alone.
Pushing me up
Justice,
there.
I'm sorry. You might have a gun in the house. Just a second.
Oh my God! Someone has a gun!
What did I do?
Just let us pet you down again, ma'am.
But I don't.
Calm down.
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck was that?
Someone just shot!
Oh my God! Someone's shooting!
Got shot!
Shooting.
Nobody's getting shot.
No!
Everybody down! Everybody get down! Active shooter! Active shooter!
Dude, let's get the fuck out of here.
Down, Dick! Gun! You big dick!
All right, we're good to go.
I didn't even hear a gunshot.
Yeah, they started panicking because I don't know.
It was the gavel.
Apparently, nobody here knows what a gunshot sounds like.
Oh, it's the gavel.
Okay.
Oh,
gavel.
it's the gavel.
That
makes
too much sense now. I don't know what that sounds like.
Settle down, settle down, sit down.
I got boarding all of a sudden again. What the hell?
We
snuck a 98 Dell in here.
Yeah, homie.
Go back here. Let's go.
Sit back on my seat here.
You didn't even do.
Get the fuck
out of the way. Good now. Thank you.
Don't worry, I'll just take the corner here.
Appreciate you, y'all. Just keep my head
I don't know. I was just gonna go next to Carmel.
Where am I supposed to go?
Sent down for life.
Are we good? Is everyone gonna be able to find a seat?
Matt, Low Gunner, Nick, Dead Star, Swing Set, Spud, Loader, Bulba, Gamboian, Fuck, Trav, Wasted Days, Johnny Knight, Corey R, Azaris, Winter Snowy. My name is Jeff Jefferson Collisions, Nugs, Lalissa,
good now, Justice. Thank you.
You're
Sports,
lucky I don't
Glock,
literally charge
McLovin.
everyone in
The
this
shit they
audience
picked.
for obstruction of justice because it's already difficult enough to
FTJ
figure
Devil
out
and the
what's going
subs.
on. And all of this
Yeah.
causes distractions.
So you tell us all to
I'm
get
sorry.
up to move, and...
I'll report to you. We had information that she had a gun on her.
Okay. All right.
Thank
so if
you.
there's an individual that you believe should not be in this courtroom, I'd ask you to escort them out quietly, as quietly as one can. If you have to use force, I understand that, but quietly as possible.
I did. I'm sorry. I apologize. Please
It wasn't
continue.
her fault. Like, you know. Shit.
Whoever does that, I will literally.
They speak fast though.
All right. Can I have both counsels approach the bench, please?
Sure.
Might be easier to do this without.
So fucking Fried,
having to shout
aka
over
Manny,
everyone in the audience
Haley,
also
Sid,
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you,
Zelroy.
Kay.
Not
This
bloody
guy,
pantomime.
everything
Lord
we
Flip
spoke
Flip
about in the
Admiral,
back, about him
crippled,
getting to the
no lie.
fucking point, he still has not said a fucking word
Yeah,
about
you
what
just wanna
happened.
run out of here, bro?
I'm fucking down. I'll be real.
Subsidy guy, Dr. Pep's Big Tree guy.
This is literally a waste
Monkey,
of my
Barn
fucking
Safe,
time.
Killer, Captain Bam, Narc, Coppers, by the
this
way,
is a
Echo
weird
them with
fucking
100
court
bits,
case,
Scooby,
goddamn.
Tiffany, this guy,
Mextel,
Goldschlangen cop face,
Demis,
has not
Daddy
heard
Hart.
anything about
Oh,
what
he's
the fuck
fucking
we
fired.
did.
He's fired. This guy is fired, but for sure.
Yeah, this guy need to be fired after his first statement.
What's his name again? I need him.
I think we just fucking walk out, man.
Goldschlangen fuckface.
Fuck this guy. This guy didn't do shit.
Bro,
Man,
he
he's
was like,
lost
yeah, I'll get to the
fucking
point. I'll
law
let
firm
them
here.
know. And he didn't do shit.
Are you good? We good?
Yo, this bar this guy while we're at it.
She wouldn't
Thank you.
comply, so we had to.
Commissioner, listen.
Oh my fucking god.
I mean, the only way to get to her is for us to move out the way, right?
now.
Sir.
I suggest you sit down the bench here so that other people don't
Sir.
have to get past you.
Thank you.
I think I'm gonna campaign to put Cox back on the painting.
They still get time to produce their evidence.
Above us, on the ceiling.
You mean slow down.
Campaign to get the dicks put back on. It's a prejudice against dick.
The court's not going to give you allowances because you didn't see the evidence. And then that includes getting a court order. If you have to get a court order to get the police to produce evidence,
I think you have to wait for him to go to jail to say that.
the onus is on you to do that. Do you understand?
He's already free.
What dick are we talking about? Ceiling, bruh. Oh. There's a lot of pogs on the cocks. Yeah. Oh yeah. I didn't never noticed.
Fuck the law, fuck the court. Jesus Christ, that's brave.
Well, I was
What
confused
Mr.
as to
K
which-
tweeted.
I understand.
You gonna eat?
I was confused as to
Fucking
which-
breathing on this shit.
So if this is once again going back to the argument about the dismissal of the evidence that was added to the course filing, the case filing,
He's such a,
then
oh, he's such a hard man.
objection
He's
was
such a,
was overruled in the
oh, he's such a stud.
Is about to have a heart attack here? How loud he's breathing?
Mr. K
Oh,
is
dick. Yeah.
so sexy.
The fuck is up with this guy? The fucking
I think he wants a
psychopath.
cock, to be honest.
was going to be considered in this case.
Well, listen. This was you and me. I was expecting this to be a fight based on information pertaining to the availability of the document.
You had it all in the cells. It was stated
What
that you
the
had it all in
fuck?
the cells at the time.
Fuck, it's Catwoman.
Well, I will keep that in mind for next time. Thank you for that.
Good?
I will keep that in mind
Yeah.
next time. I will
Okay,
document
Good work. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Got it.
So,
Deltax, do you have any sunglasses? Because the light's shining on the back of Vinny's head is so blind.
The fuck you locking us in here for?
Why do you think I brought sunglasses?
I
mean, fuck
can't
out of here,
even
bro. I
unlock
quit.
this. You quit?
Yeah, I
You
quit.
sure you want to do that?
Yeah. Yeah, I fucking quit.
In the arm. Oh,
Chief,
demon.
he's threatening to leave.
You're not leaving.
I'm getting the fuck out
Thank
of
you for
here.
your patience. We're all gathered. We are ready to resume.
All right, good,
Hey,
great.
Judge, respectively, is this court
Damn,
case
he's
almost
like a
over?
ninja.
Holy shit.
Did you just? Are we there yet?
Wow, he just
Oh,
ninja.
I
the whole
asked
thing.
respectively, is this almost over? I asked you.
We're getting there. Yes.
Okay.
I believe the defense's. It's the defense's turn. If
I'm telling you, y'all, fuck this. You alone, Vince.
and then it's up to the defense to do so.
Okay.
I forfeit, Vinny. This is all you.
Only person we're gonna. Is he done?
Are you finished?
Okay, Paris Argyle. I call her to the stand.
She's not here.
Okay.
Mr. Mark.
I call Carmela.
Oh shit.
Skill gapped.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight your shit.
Excuse me.
Skill gapped.
Push this man out of the way.
Of
Sorry,
course,
guys.
that's normal. That's normal. Tug it.
Sorry.
Come on.
Almost there. Okay. Oh, excuse me.
We know what this is going
Okay. Hey, everyone.
Hell no, bruh.
Good party. Woo.
Just walk to the end.
The judge is in the fucking.
Oh my
What the fuck?
What the fuck is this?
She's fucking hot.
Yeah, you would hit that shit.
Oh, I thought we were done with that.
Yeah,
I know,
1,000
bro.
times.
I could talk to her for you.
Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing
Swear.
but the truth, and the pain and penalty of
Yeah,
tragedy.
yeah, real good friends with her.
I guess.
Can give her my number.
I could do that. I could do that. Chase this.
I
dude
already
that-
got her number.
Chase this dude sitting at the desk up there.
She's sworn in, Your Honor.
I already got her number.
Hey, Tony.
Hey, Carmela.
Hi, Your Honor. You look so beautiful.
Oh my god,
today.
you lawyers are so dumb. So dumb.
Looking,
Not you.
I like your purse.
looking snatch, Carmela.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Commissioner, before we proceed with this witness testimony, may I approach the bench with the defense, Your
Hey,
Honor?
Jesus.
Yes, please, Miss Carmela, if you would step down over perhaps by the officers in the jury
I'm
box
making do
there.
more work. Just let us stay there.
It's witnesses probably shouldn't be present for sidebar.
Hey, Paul guy, do you want an actual lawyer?
I told him to
give
just,
you a number.
just terminate this court case.
Come here. This fucking lawyer sucks, bruh.
Yeah, I told
What
him
the
just
fuck,
I said-
bro? You did-
I just told him to
Why are
terminate.
we
I
never
said
caught
just-
up there too?
Yeah, but I can't be bothered. Can we leave? Can we go? Let's go, please.
All right, I'm not fucking. I'm done to run out.
I'm fucking.
That shit, we are
bullshit.
losing that
Let's go.
shit. Get the fuck out
Yeah,
of here.
there's no shot of us fucking winning this. I better shot of my fucking
Book
head
it.
growing back down to my ass.
Oh shit. You have a car?
No, take this one.
Oh no! Oh no! 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 It's the fucking demon. Bro, it's the fucking demon lady. Oh shit.
I'm moving to Vice City.
Fucking bitch. What's up? Benny! What's up? You gonna help your friend? What's up? I got this one, Bim. Oh no! Oh no! Oh fuck!
Don't leave.
Oh fuck! Benny!
Somebody needs to talk to you.
Oh fuck no.
You! Mr. K, she needs to talk to you.
Ah!
Get the fuck out of here.
Ah!